Here they come. Trotters are sent down their way. PJ Boy going for the lead. Past the plate, drives out. Fox Valley Diamo is 3 wide. 4 wide goes Mr. Strata. Fox Valley Diamo splitting horses for the lead. Mr. Strata drives alongside now second. Past the plate is third. Budapest now fourth. PJ Boy back to fifth. In sixth, Storm Winds racing in seventh. Wrightwood. The early trailer is Psychic Surveyor. They move on to the backstretch and to the quarter. Mr. Strata's up top. The opening quarter, 29-3. And on the mid-backside they go. Mr. Strata, the leader. Fox Valley Diamo in the pocket, second. Past the plate is third. Budapest trotting fourth, about 5 lengths from the leader. In fifth up on the outside comes Storm Winds. PJ Boy stays inside. And then it's Wrightwood and Psychic Surveyor. Psychic Surveyor about 15 lengths behind the leader. And your new leader is Fox Valley Diamo. They drive over to the half, and they're there in a time, 1 minute and 1/5. Fox Valley Diamo takes him into the turn with the lead. Mr. Strata racing second, moving quickly on the outside now. Here comes Storm Winds with a rush. Storm Winds moving up on the outside to challenge and take the lead. Final 3/8 of the mile, Storm Winds to the front. Fox Valley Diamo battles back second, Mr. Strata third. PJ Boy trying to come on fourth, towards the inside, past the plate fifth. Wrightwood moving 3 wide. Around the turn, they're in the stretch. Storm Winds comes off the turn with the lead. Mr. Strata tips to the outside. Fox Valley Diamo fighting back along the inside, and closing up out in the center of the track comes Wrightwood. It's Mr. Strata getting the lead. Wrightwood coming to him, and it's down to these two. Mr. Strata leads. Wrightwood's closing ground second. Psychic Surveyor third. Mr. Strata with Wrightwood alongside. Wrightwood coming on. Mr. Strata digging down. Here's the wire. Very tight. Mr. Strata and Wrightwood in a very tight photo. Psychic Surveyor was third. Looked like PJ Boy rallied for fourth. In tonight's sixth race, that's the photo finish. Tight photograph. Please hold all tickets. The results are official. Time for the mile, 1:59 and 1/5. Tight photo. The photographs show 6, Mr. Strata first, 7, Wrightwood second, 8, Psychic Surveyor third, and 3, PJ Boy fourth. Numbers on the board, 6, 7, 8, 3. Returning with a second win in a row at Hawthorne 6, Mr. Strata. Mr. Strata owned by Cynthia K. Willis. Nelson Willis, the winning trainer. Casey Leonard, the winning driver. 2 winners tonight for trainer Nelson Willis. Mr. Strata is an Illinois-bred 3-year-old gelding by Pizzazz out of the vaporized mare Fox Valley Strata. Back-to-back winner for sire Pizzazz.